Hello Robins, hello Wrens. It's Monday the 15th of June. We're going to carry on in math doing time. So let's have a little recap at the beginning of the lesson. So how many minutes in an hour? 60. How many minutes in half an hour? 30. How many days in a year? 365. How many hours in a day? 24. How many days in a week? 7. Great, well done if you got those right. Now let's have a look at these clocks. This first one here, what time does this say? We've got the long minute hand pointing at the 3, and the short hour hand is pointing in between the 6 and the 7. It's just gone past the 6. It's in between the 6 and the 7. So the long minute hand has travelled around the clock. It started up here at 0 at 12, and it's gone a quarter of the way round. So remember that you can divide the clock into quarters and halves. It's travelled a quarter of the way round. So that's 6:15. And this video here, this clock here, the long minute hand is pointing at the 9, and the short hour hand is pointing in between the 3 and the 4. You'll see that it's a bit closer to the 4 than at the 3. You'll also notice that the long minute hand has gone past halfway. It's gone past halfway at 6 o'clock, that's number 6. So it's in the 2 section of the clock. So we can talk about how long until the next hour, how long to the next hour. So let's have a look, how long has it got left to get to 4 o'clock? It's got a quarter of the way left to travel. From here, from the 9 round to the 12 is a quarter of the clock. Let's have a little look. Have a look at this clock. Here we go. This one said 6:15, just like in our example. And here you'll see around this clock that not only is it highlighted for you the quarter that it has gone round to help you, but there's also got the numbers around the outside that they've added. You can put them on and off if you're using this, using that little button there. Just here. You'll notice, remember that we can use the numbers around the clock, which show the hours, and they always show the hours. This does not show 3 minutes past 6, because this is the hours, and that's the minute hand. But we can use the hours to count in 5s around the clock, because every number is 5 more minutes. So you can skip count with me. We'll start at 0, and then we will skip count round. Let me put this back. I'll do it with the clock. There we go. So we go 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and that's 60 minutes. That's back to the top. It's 0 o'clock. Now 7 o'clock. You'll be using the skip counting in 5s around the clock in today's lesson. Okay, there's another video later on for if you need help. See you then.